Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist. Overnight outlook time here. We're about 11 o'clock at night here on this recording. Let's see, 35 Bristol, 32 Galax, 34 Wytheville, 30 Bluefield, 40 in downtown Roanoke and in Lynchburg, 42 down at Smith Mountain Lake, Martinsville 39, 42 in Danville, and 27 in Hot Springs. See the cold air right up against the Appalachian Mountains. Look at Smith Mountain Lake. We've had some winds tonight. 20 in Roanoke, 13 in Blacksburg. You see 15 in Galax. Stronger winds right along the Blue Ridge mountain chain this evening. And this will continue overnight before we get into the wintry weather, which will start occurring tomorrow evening. Before I get into wintry weather, you can see we have an area in northern Florida we're going to have a chance of severe weather. This will be high winds and tornadic probabilities, and that will be during the day on Thursday, so watch out in the northern part of Florida. All right, let's go to the wintry side of things. With first the synoptic maps. Synoptic map, you can see you have an area here in the Midwest of wintry precipitation, also along the Appalachian Mountains. You see this low event will progress south and east and cause the wintry precipitation to increase before getting off the coast of New Jersey. A generalized area of 1 or 2 inches down here in the Roanoke Valley, and as much as 2 to 4, 3 to 6 range up in New Jersey before you get more precipitation up in the area of Connecticut and Massachusetts before this storm moves away. When we get over the next couple of days, high pressure builds in before another low moves out, and the next low will start taking its aim here in the area south of Louisiana, which these storms usually wind up becoming a bigger issue for the East Coast. And we're into day 6 here. It starts moving towards Florida. Day 7, it's up in New York. So what's that mean usually? When you have one that's riding not far off the coast, this can be a pretty good snowfall for Roanoke straight up here through the Northeast. And we're going to have to keep an eye on that. With that kind of track, that could mean some significant snow beginning of next week. So stay here with LiveWeatherBlogs.com. We'll keep you updated. Before I go into a localized Roanoke forecast, look at these warnings and advisories across the Midwest. Thunderstorm warnings, parts south of southern Ohio, parts of Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia. Also, you have some back here in Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. And this all projected south to the east. Wouldn't be surprised to see them very soon. And early tomorrow up here in the Delaware Valley and the Roanoke Valley, and start covering these areas in the Northeast. Like I said, we're only looking at about 1 to 2 inches here in the Roanoke Valley, a little further north, 2 to 4 or 3 to 6 in the Delaware Valley, and a little bit more as you go towards central Massachusetts and Connecticut. So we'll keep leaving information, and that should be just totals as we go along here, but that looks to what will happen on Fridays. So that's what you should expect here, and expect that on the ground. More detailed maps, I'm sure, of the Delaware Valley will be provided either by meteorologist Mike Spino or Rob Garino. You can also look at Kevin Wild Weather. He has a snow map up of what he believes is going to happen. He has a nice area of 2 to 3 inches laying across the Delaware Valley. So make sure you look at their snowfall total maps and check out their blogs, please. Roanoke Valley forecasting, yes, it has changed a little bit since early. We had a little rain before the snow, and this is going to change completely. We're not going to have any rain prior to the snow now. We're going to have most cloudy skies overnight, 30 degrees. 39 with increasing cloudiness skies on Thursday. Evening time is when the snow will start kicking in, probably after 6 p.m. 30 overnight on Thursday with snow likely throughout the night, 1 to 2 inch accumulations, maybe a spare 3 inches in the higher elevations. 18 Friday night, 32 Saturday, 41 Sunday before we get into the next storm Monday night through Wednesday. And for the Triad region, Triad 30 overnight, 48 Thursday, 35 with showers likely on Thursday night, 40 Friday, 37 Saturday, 43 on Sunday. We gotta look for mixed precipitation next week for the Triad. And now we're gonna go to the Triangle area of Raleigh-Durham. 51 Thursday, showers likely overnight Thursday night, 44 Friday, 38 Saturday, 44 on Sunday. So what we're going to keep doing is we're going to actually expand this into the Raleigh-Durham Triangle area because we're getting more people interested. And I'm also going to actually start a further north look at South DC in that area. I'm going to start using that in later blogs just to let you know what I'm going to be doing now, giving you guys more individualized weather for your areas. So I'm going to continue updating and continue going with the flow here with the more membership we're getting here at liveweatherblogs.com and the need for forecasts in other locations. So I'm happy to be doing that. So we have a storm that's going to get ready to rumble, to say the least, with some snow tomorrow night. That's going to be light compared to what it looks like we're going to might be getting on the day on Tuesday. So stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information. And just remember, we have a membership drive going on again. If you are not a member, please think about getting it. $24.95 for the yellow ring. You also have a lifetime membership option. And this is going to be giving you guys information first with these audio blogs. And it's going to be great when this new site unveils. So definitely get yourself a membership if you haven't. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison, and I'll be talking to you later tomorrow. Have a great day.